Welcome to Under the Microscope. This series is brought to you by the Real Scientists Nano team. Our goal is to provide a platform where scientists can communicate their work and interact with the public. With that in mind, every week we introduce you to a scientist working in the field of materials and nanoscience. Hello everyone, today we have with us Clara Barker, who is a lab manager at the University of Oxford at the Department of Materials. Hi Clara.
Hi, how's it going?
Wonderful, very nice to have you on the podcast, Meet the Curator. Could you explain your research in simple words, please?
Yes, so I'm a thin film material scientist and I love making thin films by different techniques. We use thin films in so many everyday products and we don't really think about it. So we have solar cells, we have touchscreens, solid state batteries, even coatings on solar glass and on spectacles. So it's everywhere. And I love playing around with the properties to see what I can do to the structure of the films.
Okay, wow, thin film scientific. Okay, that sounds super interesting. Awesome. What can the followers expect in the week that you will be curating the RealSci_Nano Twitter account?
Yeah, so I really want to talk about a few different things. I'll obviously introduce people to me and share my story and how I got to Oxford. But then I'll also talk about some good things that have happened to me and maybe potential barriers that I've seen and why I think it's really important that we actively look to include people in sciences. And also, because I also really want to talk a little bit about the techniques that I use, those techniques for making thin films and what we use them for and things like that. So hopefully people will be able to tell me how to make thin films by the end of the week.
They would be explain it to their family or their friends or their circles, how to make thin films. Okay, awesome. Looking forward to it, Clara. See you on Twitter then.
Thank you. See you there.
Thank you for listening. To know more about us, please visit our website, realscientistsnano.org, and follow us on Twitter at realsci_nano.